Today we're going to be looking at the basic terms of geometry. So there are three terms specifically that are the foundation for everything else, and that is a point, a line, and a plane. A point doesn't really have a definition, but we know that it doesn't have a dimension, it has a specific location. A line is a connected straight path, and it has no thickness and continues forever. So notice the arrows, it continues forever in both directions. And we can call that line AB with arrows above it, or line BC, or line CA. It doesn't matter which two letters you use and in which order, as long as you either have an arrow above it in both directions, or if you write out the word line and then the two letters, that's fine too. And the next one is a plane. So a plane is just a flat surface that has no thickness and it extends forever in all directions. So those are the three basic terms in geometry, but from there, everything else is built. For example, a line segment. So a line segment is a line, but it's cut off in two different spots. It has two endpoints. So we could look at segment AC here, which would cover from A to C, or we could call that CA. Or we could just look at this part, which would be BC or CB. Notice I'm not writing arrows above it, I just have a line representing a line segment. Or just like with lines, I could write out the word segment and then the two letters. And then we have a ray. You have to be a little bit more careful with how you label a ray, but a ray has a specific endpoint on one end and then continues forever in the other direction. We could call this ray AC, or we could call it ray AB. Notice the direction of the arrow. But we could not call it ray BC because it needs to start at A. And we couldn't call it CA because the arrow needs to be pointing away from the A. So just be careful the order that you write your ray. And that's it with basic geometric terms.